When your circadian rhythm breaks, what happens in the brain? You can ignore your sleep schedule, shift it, disrupt it, override it with alarms and caffeine, but your brain does not forget time. It runs on an internal rhythm, and when that rhythm becomes unstable, the effects are not limited to feeling tired. They extend into mood, cognition, metabolism, even long-term brain resilience. Circadian disruption is not inconvenience, it is neurological misalignment. If circadian rhythm is internal, what exactly breaks when it breaks? Deep in the brain sits the suprachiasmatic nucleus, a small cluster of neurons in the hypothalamus. This structure acts as the master clock. It synchronizes sleep timing, hormone release, body temperature, metabolic cycles. Light exposure calibrates this clock daily. Morning light anchors it. Darkness allows melatonin release. When light timing becomes irregular, the master clock loses precision, and downstream systems begin drifting. But circadian rhythm doesn't only regulate sleep, it regulates brain chemistry. Dopamine follows daily oscillations, cortisol peaks predictably in the morning, melatonin rises in darkness. When rhythm destabilizes, these signals desynchronize. The brain becomes chemically mistimed, attention may feel sharper at midnight, flat in the morning, mood stability fluctuates. The issue isn't willpower, it's temporal coordination. The brain depends on timing precision. But the effects go deeper than mood. Circadian misalignment changes how the brain uses energy. Cells throughout the body have their own clocks. These peripheral clocks rely on the brain's master signal. When sleep, food timing, and light exposure shift unpredictably, peripheral clocks drift. Glucose regulation becomes less efficient, inflammatory tone increases. Mitochondrial efficiency fluctuates. The brain senses this misalignment, cognitive clarity drops, energy feels inconsistent, not because energy is absent, but because timing is broken. So circadian disruption affects chemistry and metabolism, but what about long-term brain health? Consistent circadian rhythm supports, efficient synaptic pruning, stable stress regulation, proper glymphatic clearance during sleep. When rhythm breaks repeatedly, deep sleep timing shifts, clearance becomes less predictable, chronic misalignment increases neural strain. Shift workers show measurable cognitive differences over time, not from a single night, from sustained misalignment. The brain evolved with predictable cycles. Stability preserves resilience. If rhythm breaks the brain's balance, can it be restored? Yes, but restoration requires consistency. Morning light exposure stabilizes the master clock. Consistent sleep timing strengthens rhythm amplitude. Regular meal timing aligns peripheral clocks. Exercise earlier in the day improves phase stability. The brain recalibrates gradually. It doesn't need perfection, it needs predictability. Circadian rhythm is less about strict schedules, more about signal consistency. When circadian rhythm breaks, the brain loses temporal precision, chemistry drifts, energy misaligns, mood fluctuates, but the solution isn't extreme control, it's stable signals. The brain thrives on rhythm and resilience is built on consistency. Time matters, not abstractly, biologically. Subscribe to Vera Human and continue understanding the biology shaping your rhythm, your clarity, and your long-term brain health.